Hi everyone, I just got this sunglasses from RockBros, bicycle glasses. Yeah, it's got many filters, a night filter and just a normal sunshade, and then this Polaroid filter that is now fitted into the frame. But what I like most about these glasses is that I can fit my whole reading or my prescription glasses into it. First I wear my glasses and then I just fit the sunglasses on top of it. Now to prevent the sunglasses from getting scratched, I just put some insulation tape there, this little part and another one there, and that is the spot where the prescription glass frame will touch. As you can see, it will line up more or less there and it will push against the prescription glasses, but it won't scratch. So I'll first fit my prescription glasses. Oh, and wait, before we continue with the prescription glasses and the frame, there's also this option to insert your prescription lenses, custom cut for this little frame that will fit into the RockBros frame. It's a kind of a loose fit, but it can work. But why use the RockBros frame if you can use your own prescription frame and glasses? And I think it should more or less work for any kind of frame. And as you can see, these prescription glasses really have a cornered frame. Most of them do. So annoying. While the sunglasses have a curved frame. So let me put on my prescription lens frame. And then just the sunglasses on top of it. Okay, I think you can see there's a little gap on top, but I don't think that will bother much. And you can see there's also some gap at the bottom, but it's really not that much. The RockBros frame is so big that it can cover the most important part. Let me put it that way, it covers more than your average sunglasses. Okay. And I hardly see the insulation tape patches. It's right in the corner of my eye, but it doesn't disturb the view. Okay, there. Let me just pull off both. You can see it touches exactly there at the insulation tape patches. So finally, I think these RockBros frames are worth it for using as a sunglass attachment on your prescription lenses. And there's the dark blue frame, and I think there's a red version as well. Okay, now just I'm wearing the sunglasses alone, and I think it fits the same. You can't see that it's a closer fit. But thanks for watching.